Hey guys, welcome back to a short little video that I kind of want to make with my vacuum. I'm going to vacuum this part of the room, kitchen, and up to this Ethernet wire here. That's where I'm going to stop. And the vacuum that I'm going to be using is a Hoover Encore Supreme from the early to mid 90s. And the bag that I'm using actually are these old genuine Hoovers from 1976 or 78, I think. Don't worry, this bag was already torn, so they aren't necessarily like new. So yeah, if you're wearing headphones, I would very much advise you to probably turn down the volume slightly, because this thing is loud. 3, 2, 1. So with that, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. turn on notifications, check out the new Discord, link in description, and you'll see me in another video. Bye bye.